Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Vault for email retention and compliance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Google Vault for email retention and compliance, start by opening your web browser. Type in the Google Vault URL in the address bar. The URL is vault.google.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the Google Vault homepage, you will see a sign in button if you are not already logged in. Click on the Sign In button. You will be redirected to the Google account sign in page. Enter your email address associated with your Google Workspace account. Click the Next button. Input your password in the required field. Click the Next button again. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps. You may need to answer security questions or provide a verification code from your registered device. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Google Vault dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes options for managing holds, searches, and exports. Locate the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Select the desired option, such as holds or search, based on your needs. To create a hold, click on the holds option from the menu. Click the Create button on the holds page. For searches, click on the search option from the navigation menu. Follow the prompts to set your search parameters. Make sure to include any relevant information to narrow your search results. After configuring your hold or search, click the Save or Search button. Review any results or confirmations that appear. Make sure to log out at the end of your session for security purposes. To log out, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon and select the Sign Out option. This completes your login process and initial usage of Google Vault. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.